Hello everyone, in this lesson we will be learning about routing concept of Laravel. So routing is a mechanism to route the request through the associative actions. You can find routes in route folders. You can see here is a folder called routes. In here you can find a web.php file. We will specify our all web routes in this file. If in future we work with API, we will register our API routes on this api.php. For now, we will be focusing on web.php. In here you can see here is the already predefined route. This is the route for our home page. If I go to the project, refresh, we can see a page. Basically this route is returning this page. Laravel route structure is pretty simple. All route will start with route. This is a facade, then colon get. Get is a method, and this method will take two parameters. One will be the URL and second will be the action. And action can be a closure or a class. In here we can see it is using a closure. In closure it's returning a view. Basically views are the presentation layer of Laravel. We'll be talking views and other stuff in later on videos. For now let's focus on route. Let's define our own route. As I say, all route will start with route facade colon, then I'm saying facade. If you don't know what is facade is, it's totally fine. Just remember we all route will start with route, then colon will specify the method. For now we will go with the get method. There are several methods Laravel supports, but for now we'll use get method for better understanding. In get method there will be two parameters. One will be the route itself, like let's say about. I want to make about route. Then in here we will specify the action. For now we will write a closure function. Then let's return a string h1, let's say about page. Now what it will do when anyone hit this about route, that the closure will hit and return this string, right? Let's go to the front end, and if we just say right here about, enter, we can see our string is visible right now. Let's go to the code again. Let's define another route. Same route colon get. Then let's say it will be contact route. Return h1 contact page. Now let's go to the contact URL, enter, and you can see we are getting the contact page. That means we just defined two routes for our application. Now this is a basic example of routing. Now we are just using a closure to return a string. In future we'll learn how can we attach controller with it. Instead of closure we'll add controller, and when anyone just select or hit this URL, the controller will call its own methods, and we can do more stuff with routes. We will learn how can we return view via routes and many more. for this video. That's it. See you at the next one.